In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark on DaVinci Resolve. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on color right over here. Then go ahead and select on this option right over here that says window. Then go ahead and find the pen icon and then draw an outline around the watermark that you're trying to remove. So we're going to go ahead and remove this watermark right over here. So let's go ahead and do that really quickly. And then there you go. Okay, then afterwards, you want to go ahead and select on the tracker tool right here. Then you want to move the timeline to the start of the clip. Then press on this track forward button right over here. And now DaVinci is going to begin tracking that watermark so that it is able to analyze it. So now it's going to analyze your clip. So just wait a little bit. All right, then afterwards, go to the top right and press on effects. Then go to the search bar. Then type object removal right over here. And then you want to drag and drop it to the node right here. Then go ahead and press on not yet. Then press on scene analysis. Now, all you need to do is you need to wait for DaVinci to finish processing your video. So the watermark may turn gray, but in order to fix that, what you need to do is you need to go to the effects tab and then just scroll down. Then you should see build clean palette right over here. And then it is going to fix that issue. And then from there, you're good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.